My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In our last lecture, we did the topic Arithmetic Series. In that topic, we did some word problems, and our today's word problem is the sum of first n terms Sn of a particular arithmetic progression is given by Sn is equal to 4n square plus 2n. Find the first term and the common difference. This is the question. In book exercise, this is question number 13. You can see in the book. Here we need first term and the common difference of arithmetic progression. As here Sn is equal to 4n square plus 2n. This is given. If at the place of n we are substituting 1 both sides of this equation, then we can get first term of arithmetic progression. Here n1, that will be 4 into 1 square plus 2 into 1. This will be 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. You know S1. S1 means sum of terms up to first term. First term mean only one term will be there. Then we can say here A1 will be equal to 6. This S1 will be equal to A1. Okay. Up to first term sum will be only the one term will be there. Then you can say A1 is equal to 6. Then we will substitute in this equation n is equal to 2. At n is equal to 2, this Sn, n is 2, will be equal to 4 into n is 2 square as it is plus 2 into n will be 2. This will gives us 2 square 4 4 are 16. 16 plus this 2 2s are 4 is 16 plus 4 20. It means S2 here is 20. Now you know S2 mean sum of series up to second term. Sum of series up to second term. Up to second term will be A1 plus A2 will be there. This S2 we can write A1 plus A2 and that is equal to 20. Then A1 already here, this is 6. 6 plus A2 is equal to 20. Then A2 will be equal to 20 minus 6 is 14. Second term of this progression here is 14. Now common difference easily we can get. What will be the common difference? Common difference is equal to second term minus first term, A2 minus A1. A2 here is 14 minus A1 is 6. 14 minus 6 will be 8. It means common difference D is 8. This is the answer. Here required thing was first term and the common difference. First term here is 6 and the common difference is 8. This is the complete question. Next question in your book is question 14, similar to question number 13. You can do easily this question. Now we will go to the question number 15. Question 15 is sum of first n terms Sn of a particular arithmetic progression is given by Sn is equal to n by 12 into 4n plus 5. Sn is equal to n divided by 12 into 4n plus 5. This is given in the question. Find an expression for nth term. Find an expression for nth term. How we can get here expression for nth term? Suppose here we are having sequence A1, A2, A3 up to so on an. sequence. What will be the second last term here? As last term is an, second last term will be an minus 1. An minus 1. Sum of series up to n terms, sum of this series up to n terms, this will be Sn. But sum of series up to n minus 1 terms, only up to here, n minus 1 term up to here, that we can write as n minus 1. A1, this is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus up to so on, n plus 1. Here will be A1 plus A2 plus up to so on, an minus 1. If last term here is an minus 1, then sum of series will be Sn minus 1. It means if we are subtracting from Sn, this Sn minus 1, we can get this An. What's the difference? Here you can see, if we are subtracting these two, then these two cancel, and up to so on. Here An minus 1 cancel, only An will be there. Only An will be there. It means An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. An is equal to Sn minus 1. Sn is given here. We can substitute this one here. That is n divided by 12 into 4n plus 5 minus Sn minus 1. At the place of n, we will substitute here n minus 1. That will be Sn minus 1. Here will be n minus 1 divided by 12 into 4 into n. Here we will replace with n minus 1 and plus 5 as it is. Now after that, 1 divided by 12 we can take common outside. Here 1 by 12 is in this term and in this term. Both term having 1 divided by 12, we can take common outside. What will be here? This n is here. This n we will multiply inside. That will be 4n square plus 5 into n is 5n. Minus, here is 1 factor n minus 1. And inside here will be 4n minus 4 and plus 5. This 4 will multiply inside, 4n minus 4 and this plus 5 as it is. We can save here one step. We can write this one here, minus 4 plus 5. We can write direct here plus 1. Plus 1. Now, after further simplification, this is 4n square plus 5n minus, these two factors will multiply each other. 4n into n is 4n square plus n minus 4n and minus 1. Then this will gives us 4n square plus 5n. This minus will multiply inside. Here will be minus 4n square. This n minus 4n is minus 3n. Minus into this minus is plus 3n here. And minus into minus will be plus 1. Then after that, 1 divided by 12 as it is. This minus 4n square and plus 4n square cancel with each other. 5n plus 3n is 8n and plus 1 as it is. This is the expression for the nth term or for the general term of sequence. What is that? 1 divided by 12 into 8n plus 1. Now next question is question number 16. A circle is divided into 12 sectors. Size of angle of the sectors are in arithmetic progression. The angle of the largest sector is 6.5 times the angle of the smallest sector. Find the angle of smallest sector. This is the question. Here, first of all, total 12 sectors are there. Then number of terms in arithmetic progression will be 12. N is equal to 12. Then after that, in first and the last sector, mean first sector and the 12th sector, he is giving us the relation. 12th sector is 6.5 times of first sector. 12th sector is A12. 12th sector means the 12th term in the sequence, and the first sector is the first term in the sequence. 12th sector is 6.5 times of first sector. Then A12 will be equal to 6.5 into A1. Then this A12 we can write A plus 11D. Here this 6.5A is equal to 6.5A. How A12 is A plus 11D? You can see, A and general term is A1 plus N minus 1 into D. N is 12. Here A plus N is 12 minus 1 into D. That will be A plus 12 minus 1 is 11D. This A12 is A plus 11D. Then after that, 11D will be equal to this A, other side will be minus A. 6.5A minus A is 5.5A. Then here this 11D, this 5.5, this side will divide, will be equal to A. Then A is equal to this 11 divided by 5.5 is 2. A is equal to 2D. We can say this equation number 1 here. Then after that, we will use here formula for the sum of arithmetic series, Sn. That is n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This one. Here total sectors in the circle given 12, and we will use here 12. N is 12 divided by 2. 2a plus n is 12 minus 1 into d. This one. S12. S12 is sum of all the angles in all 12 sectors. Sum of angle in all 12 sectors. That is complete revolution. Sum of angle, complete angle is, the complete revolution is 360. 360 degree. Here we will take 360. 12 divided by 2 is 6 here. 2a plus 12 minus 1 here will be 11d. Then after that, this 6 we will shift this side. Here will be 360 divided by 6 is 60 is equal to 2a plus 11d. Then after that, as we need here value of A, mean the first sector, then how we can get value of A? If we are using this D from equation 1, we can take this D is equal to A divided by 2. We can substitute here. Okay, D is equal to A divided by 2. Or A is equal to 2D we are taking here. Then also we can do as 60 is equal to 2 into A. A is 2D plus 11D. 60 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4D plus 11 is 15d, then d is equal to 60 divided by 15 will be 4. D is equal to 4. Then equation 1 implies that here a is equal to 2d. A is equal to 2 into d. D is 4. A will be equal to 2 4s are 8 degree. Then angle in the first sector is 8 degree. This is the answer.